Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. I am Divya VP, your maths teacher. Today we can discuss International Place Value System. Most of the countries of the world follow International Place Value System. It is slightly different from Indian Place Value System. In both the systems, up to the first 5 places, it is same. In Indian place value system, first period ones, tens and hundred, and in thousands period thousand, 10,000, and in lakhs period lakhs, 10 lakh, in crores period crores, 10 crore, and one number is given here. How to read this number in Indian system? 5 crore 18 lakh 92,476. To read this number in Indian system, how to read this number in Indian system? 5 crore 18 lakh 92,476. Now consider International Place Value System. In the International Place Value System, the ones, thousands and millions period all have 3 places. That in ones period, ones, tens and hundred. In thousands period, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. And in millions period, million, 10 million. One number is given here. How to read this number in international system? 51,892,478. How to read it in international system? 51,892,478. Now we can do the exercise questions. What is the first question? Write the numbers in figures and words in the Indian and international system. Some numbers are given here. We want to write that in words in Indian system and international system. First number is, how to read this number in Indian system? Unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 3,69,512. How to read that in Indian system? 3,69,512. The same number we can read in international system also. How to read this number in international system? Unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So, we can read this in international system as 369,512. How to read it in international system? 369,512. Now consider the second number. We can read that number in Indian system as 23,97,010. And the same number we can read in international system as 2,397,010. How to read it in international system? 2,397,010. Okay. Now we can consider question 2. What is the question? Write the following in figures. One number in words is given here. We want to write its numeral form. For that, we can draw an international place value chart. So, we can enter this number in the chart. 27 million comes in millions place. 743 comes in thousands place. And 338 in ones place. So, how to read this number? 27,743,338. How to read this number? 27,743,338. Okay, now we can do the question 3. Write the place value of the digit in red in Indian and international system. Some numbers are given here and some digit will be in red color. The place value of that digit we want to write. Here, what is the first number given? Unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. The place value of 3 is 3 lakh. So in Indian system it is 3 lakh. And the same numbers, how to write the place value in international system? Consider the same number, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. In international place value system, the place value of 3 is 300,000. What is the place value of 3 in international system? It is 300,000. Now consider the second number. What is the second number? Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So the place value of 2 is 20 lakh. What is the place value of 2? 20 lakh. And what will be the place value of 2 in international system? In international system, consider that number. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 2 million. So what is the place value of 2 in international system? In international system, the place value of 2 is 2 million. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. Okay children, now we can discuss rounding of numbers. When we round off a number, we give an approximate value rather than the actual value. That approximate value will be very close to the actual value. One example is given here. Tina's school is 11.5 km from her home. But she says, my school is about 10 km from my home. That means 10 is the rounded number. 10 is very close to 11.5. So when we are rounding off a number, we usually rounding it to its nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 like that. Some rules we want to follow for that. Now we can consider how to round off a number to its nearest 10. Rounding off to the nearest 10. How to round off a number to the nearest 10. To round off a number to its nearest 10, we want to consider it ones place digit. If ones place digit is less than 5, we want to replace that digit by 0 and retain other digits as it is. One example is here 234. When we are rounding it to nearest 10, we want to consider its ones place. Ones place digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. So we want to replace 4 by 0 and write other numbers as it is. When we round off 234 to its nearest 10, the answer is 230. And second rule, if the ones digit is 5 or greater than 5, we want to add 1 to the tens place number and replace the ones digit by 0 and retain other digits as it is. Consider the number 5467. We want to round to nearest 10. So ones place digit is 7. That 7 is greater than 5. So replace 7 by 0 and add 1 to its tens place digit. So what is the answer we got? 5470. All of you understood? So when we want to round off a number to its nearest 10, we want to consider its ones place. If ones place is less than 5, we want to write the number as it is, but where is the difference come? In ones place, that becomes 0. When the ones place digit is greater than or equal to 5, we want to add 1 to its tens place and retain other numbers as it is. Replace the ones digit by 0. Okay children, we can do some examples. First question, 263. Its ones place number is 3, that is less than 5. So when we round this number to its nearest 10, what the answer we got? 260. And second question, 5486. Ones place number is 6, that is greater than 5. So we want to add 1 to its tens place number, that is 8, it become 9. So what is the answer we got? 5490. And consider the third question. 63,725. Its ones place digit is 5. So we want to add 1 to its tens place and replace this by 0. So what is the answer? 63,730. Now consider the fourth question. 70,293. Its ones place digit is 3, that is less than 5. So replace 3 by 0 and retain the other digits as it is. So what is the answer? 70,290. Okay children, next we can study how to round off a number to nearest 100. To round off a number to nearest 100, we want to observe its tens place and ones place digit. If the number formed by the tens and ones digit is less than 50, we want to replace the tens and ones digit by 0 and retain other digits as it is. We can check one example here. 3428. Its ones and tens digit form 28. 28 is less than 50. So we want to replace ones and tens digit by 0 and retain other numbers as it is. So what is the answer we are getting? 3400. Now we can check second rule. If the number formed by tens and ones digit is 50 or greater than 50, we want to add 1 to its hundreds place number and replace its tens and ones digit by 0. We can check one example. 6753. Its tens and ones digit form 53. 53 is greater than 50. So we want to replace 53 by 0 and add 1 to 7. So what is the answer we are getting? 6800. All of you understood? We can do some examples now. Okay, look at the first question. 687. Ones and tens digit form 87. 87 is greater than 50. So we can round the number to 700. We want to add 1 to its hundreds place number, then we will get 700. Consider the second example. 2,30,528. Ones and tens digit form 28. 28 is less than 50. So we want to replace ones and tens digit by 0 and retain other numbers as it is. So what is the answer we are getting? 2,30,500. Okay, consider the next question. 90,453. What is the number we are getting? 53 here. So 53 is greater than 50. So what we want to do? We want to add 1 to its hundreds place number. So 4 become 5. So what is the answer we are getting? 90,500. Now look at the example 4. 23,28,716. Its ones and tens digit form 16. 16 is less than 50. So we want to replace that by 0 and retain other numbers as it is. So what is the answer we are getting? 23,28,700. Okay, next we can study rounding off to nearest 1000. How to round off the given number to its nearest 1000. For that, we want to consider its unit, tens and hundreds place number. Okay, what is the first rule? If the number formed by the 3 digits, which all digit? Unit place number, tens place number and hundreds place number. If that number we are getting that is less than 500, we want to replace that digits by 0 and retain other digits as it is. So look at this example. 6,28,486. The 486 is less than 500. So we want to replace that digits by 0 and retain other digits as it is. What is the answer we are getting? 6,28,000. And what is the second rule? If the number formed by the 3 digits, that means ones, tens and hundreds digits form the one number we are getting now. If that number is 500 or greater than 500, we want to replace the digits by 0 and add 1 to its thousands place number. Consider this example. 32,67,690. Ones, tens and hundreds digits form 690. 690 is greater than 500. So we want to add 1 to its thousands place number and replace these 3 digits by 0. So what is the answer we are getting? 32,68,000. All of you understood? Now we can do some examples. Example 1. What is the number given here? 6592. So which all digits we want to consider? We want to consider its unit, tens and hundreds digit. That number we are getting is 592. 592 is greater than 500. So what we want to do? We want to add 1 to its thousands place. So what is the answer we are getting? 7000. Okay, now consider question 2. The number given is 4450. 450 is less than 500. So no need to add 1 to thousands place. We want to replace unit, tens and hundreds digit by 0 and retain the thousands place as it is. So what is the answer we are getting? 4000. Is it clear to you? Okay, consider the next question. 80,567. 567 is greater than 500. Now what we want to do? We want to add 1 to its thousands place. So what is the answer we are getting? 81,000. Okay, now look at the question 4. 29,482. 482 is less than 500. So we want to replace these 3 digits by 0 and retain other numbers as it is. So what is the answer we are getting? 29,000. Hope all of you understood. Here I am winding up the session. See you in next class. Thank you.